Welcome to our cooking show.
Today we are going to be making
graham cracker chocolate bar,
Valentine's edition.
Sounds delicious.
First, here's Natalie to tell us the ingredients.
You'll need a box of graham crackers, some M&Ms, sprinkles, icing gel, white chocolate chips, and a toothpick.
Thank you, Natalie. Now here's Leah to tell us the steps.
First, you're going to get a baking pan and a parchment paper. Then you're going to lay out your graham crackers on top of the parchment paper.
Then you're going to add your chocolate. Then we're going to spread it out.
Once that's complete, you are going to add red icing gel droplets all around. Once that's complete, you will run it up and down to create a beautiful pattern. Quickly, we will add Valentine's Day sprinkles and M&M as an option.
Now, here's Ashley to tell us a Valentine's Day fact.
Hey Cardinals, red roses are common during Valentine's Day because it is known as a flower of love. Bye Cardinals!
Now you're going to let it cool. And then you're going to eat it. We hope that you enjoy this nice and treatful snack for Valentine's Day. Bye, Cardinals!